Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make roasted yam. How I make mine, I am going to use old yam. So always you can use the new yam. Now yam is in season, but I am using the old one because my village people have not eaten yam. I'm only kidding. So if you have the old one, which I think is more tastier, if you have the old one and you feel it's too hard, use your pestle to just do it bam 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 like that. And you will see it will soften a bit when you will eat the yam. So I cut them in two, and then I have to slice them and remove all the dirt in. It's because old yams, more often some side of it, part of it may ferment. So what I will do is to just cut them. You can see that one is already fermenting by the side, but I'm going to peel the back, and then remove all the sides that are not good, and it's ready. So as I peel them, I am going to wash them. Before washing them, after peeling them, I'm going to slice them in the size that I want. This is the sizes that I want. You can do your own round sizes. You can as well use the whole yam with the back that way, preferable the way you want. But if you do it whole, you might end up not having yam. The inside might not go well with it, and so you want to slice them because it's not village fire. So I am going to then put them in a bowl and wash. You want to remove all the sand. Make sure you wash it at least twice. Yes, and I will put water to it and then wash them very well, and then pour it out and pour another water and wash it. And I am going to drizzle oil on the pan or the oven pan that I will use. I will drizzle and spread the oil around with a spatula or whatsoever you have. You can use your hand or anything you have just to put the oil. Make sure the oil stays in the pan. And the reason why I am doing it is because I don't want the yam to stick in the pan when I am going to turn them. Otherwise it will be very difficult. And now that it's old yam, it will stick in the pan, and before you bring it out, you end up not eating anything. It will not be good at all. So if you want to use the wash toward the back with the peel, with the back, don't just use sponge and water and soap to wash it very very well, and then you have a good yam to eat. Don't put it in the oven that way. Wash them very well, then slice it the way you want. This is the way I want mine. I am going to put them in the oven, and after some time, when it starts turning brown, I will just keep flipping over until I get my desired crunchness or brownness or whatever. And then I am going to use this clay pot. I'll allow the clay pot to dry. I'm using it to make just simple oil sauce. I add pepper, and I'm going to just, as you see, this pot now is very hot, so I'm going to turn off the light of this stove, and then I'm going to add onion. Anything you want, you can add any kind of thing you want. You can add crayfish. I don't want to add crayfish to this one. The only ingredient I'm going to add now is ogiri. Yes, I just add a little bit of ogiri. That's ogiri. It's not locust beans, so I don't know. This is ogiri uba. Then you're going to just spread it inside, and then next thing that I'll add is oil and Maggi stock cube powder. It's not Maggi stock cube powder. You can use Maggi if you want. Mine is crayfish stock cube. You see now it's bringing out smoke even though I've off the stove. This clay pot is so good. So I will add thyme. This is my own taste. You can add salt to taste. I don't want to add salt, and it's ready. And I'm going to bring out the yam and then serve it with the delicious oil. This oil is so yummy. It looks simple, but when you eat them, you will just keep singing inside your heart till you finish it. Yes, I said so. You will be singing inside your heart. You will finish it. Thank you for watching this video. Until I come your way next time. Bye.